Sharma, and my birthday falls, you can guess, first even number of the first year, first month.
Hello everyone, my birthday is on previous day of Lodi. 12. Yeah.
Good morning all of you. My birthday falls on third month of the year and is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 5.
Math teachers.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मेरा जन्मदिन होता है बड़ा खास 2 दिन पहले 31 मार्च।
Guess.
Good morning everyone, myself Priyanka and my birthday falls in the second last month of the year, and when the two numbers of my birthday are added it comes out to be 10. That is one number less than 20.
19. Good morning everyone, my name is Meenakshi. My birthday falls on 6 days before Christmas.
19. Good morning everyone. First of all, you will guess the month, okay? And the hint is that the number is the same as the first natural number. January. January is very correct. Now you will guess the date. First of all, hint is it is 2-digit number. Now you will guess the first digit first. Okay? First digit. It is the third natural. It is the third whole number. 2. Very correct. And now the second date. It is the biggest 1-digit number. So the date is